What's up, YouTube? This is James coming back at you with another informative video. Hope everybody's doing well out there on this sunny Tuesday. Nice breezy Tuesday too. Not too hot, not too cold. I'm doing pretty good myself. Shout out to the brother Jamal Bay for hipping me on to this particular story right here about our elder brother Bill Cosby. It says here granted appeal in Pennsylvania sex assault case. And that's a good thing. I've been noticing a lot of people has been like getting pardoned, let out of prison, you know what I mean, simply because of coronavirus, and what have you. They say a lot of prisoners are getting it, so they like giving them early release. So why not Bill Cosby? Let's get into this little article right here, then we'll watch the videos. This is in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Comedian Bill Cosby has won the right to fight his 2018 sexual assault conviction before the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. The 82-year-old Cosby has been imprisoned in suburban Philadelphia for nearly 2 years after a jury convicted him of drugging and sexually assaulting a woman in 2004. Okay, he's serving a 3 to 10-year sentence. The Supreme Court has agreed to review two aspects of the case that Cosby's lawyers challenged on appeal. The first involved the judge's decision to let prosecutors call 5 other accusers to introduce evidence that Cosby had given quaaludes to women in the past. Yeah, these was whores. Like I said, the only reason why Bill Cosby is going through this is because basically he was a married man, and I think that it was actually the judgment of the Most High. You know what I mean? When you make that that decree before the Most High, at your wedding, right before that, he's present, the Holy Spirit, all of that is right there, and you say I do, that means you do, and you're gonna get held to it. And if you do other than that, like mess around in them streets, then you're gonna get got. That's basically what all this boils down to. Bill Cosby, and I'ma always say this, did not rape none of these whores. You know what I mean? They was in it for money and accolades and drugs. You know what I'm saying? And that's what hoes do. They trade they ass for money, accolades, and drugs. Okay. It goes on to say here in conclusion, and the court will examine Cosby's argument that he had an agreement with a former prosecutor that he never be charged in the case. Cosby says he relied on the agreement before agreeing to testify in the trial accuser's civil assault lawsuit. All right. Let's see what's up with these videos right here.
We've got some breaking news right now in the Bill Cosby case. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court has just granted the 82-year-old the right to an appeal on limited grounds. The state's high court will review a legal challenge on whether it was proper for the judge in Montgomery County back in 2018, the sexual assault trial, to allow prosecutors to call 5 other accusers who allege Cosby gave them the drug quaaludes in the past. Cosby's lawyers also say it's unfair that testimony from a civil lawsuit was allowed to be submitted as evidence, when Cosby was under the impression he had an agreement at that time with the former district attorney that he would not face any charges again. Bill Cosby granted the right to a limited appeal today.
Pretty much the same thing I said. Well, like I said, I really, really hate the fact that our dear beloved brother, elder brother, is going through this because Bill Cosby has brung so much to the game. He's brung so much to us as a people. You know what I'm saying? I mean, really, man. In that aspect, he was like a godsend. As far as I'm concerned. But regardless of what he did in his personal life, I'll never let them tarnish, his image. All right, I'll never let them do it. Because like I said, shit, all the shit that white man has done it. What? You understand what I mean? Actual rape, slaughtered, stealing, what I mean? And I'm saying they did it big. How y'all think they got this country? All right. So yeah, you'll never tarnish Mr. Cosby's image in my eyes. Like I said, I just hate that he's going through this. But y'all tell me what y'all think about this particular story right here. I'm interested in hearing y'all thoughts, views, and opinions on it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, please remember to live your life as though we are being watched. Simply because we are. This is James, and I'm out. Peace.